heard you say before, and then I've heard you say it live in person at Terminal 5 that you are toxic.
I fans them say, I'm toxic. I just work with my fan base.
Oh,
I say
so
I'm
your
toxic.
fans say that
so
you're
me catch you now,
toxic.
okay, I tell me some different thing. My fan
No,
base
because
say
I
me
never heard
toxic.
the fans them say that you're toxic.
Me
I heard
Yeah, you know,
you
say
said,
most of my
okay.
comments them under is either toxic or
Like you're a toxic guy in a relationship is what they're saying, or you're like a just.
them wouldn't know that because they don't know if me in a relationship.
True. All right. So they're just saying that you be toxic.
I give off a narcissist type of vibe. Like based on if I'm speaking on live or something or speaking about a relationship, yeah. So
I
them
never
say,
got that from you.
Right.
No, I never got that. So I was like, yo, why he always saying that he toxic? I'm like, when he say he toxic, what does that mean? You
Me a
just
joker.
following up what they saying.
Yeah, the fans
Okay.
them.
So you
Okay.
just so you feel like they think maybe based on your music too, you
Right.
toxic?
Yeah. See, you know the right thing in there, so I come say about.
I'm feeding off of you. I'm feeding off of what the artist is saying. You see the fans say something.
Yeah.
You see something.
Yeah.
So why you sing about so much toxic stuff then?
Huh?
Why you sing about so much toxic stuff then?
I sing about toxic stuff. I sing about things that you're doing.
Me?